Oh, if you're just joining, this is Sailing into Nirvana, and this is a podcast on Valentine's Day from the salon. Sexy Cyndi, Pirate Rodney.
Pirate Rodney.
Right here. It's Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Right.
Yep.
Happy Valentine's. Oh, we've got some duck over here. Just a boat thing. We've got some baked brie. That's raspberry baked brie with pecan. Mm-hmm. And we have the octopus and escargot Brussels sprouts on the side. What do you think?
It's so good.
How's it tasting?
It's delicious.
Okay.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
And duck.
The duck. Look at this duck.
Yeah.
Okay, so I roasted this duck here on the boat in the air fryer. And what do you think?
It's delicious.
Tastes like chicken?
No, it tastes like duck.
It does. It has a good flavor.
And you put the raspberry.
Right.
What'd you call that?
So that's actually, I used a honey balsamic sauce on the top to brown the skin. And it took, what, like 3 hours to cook?
Not 2 minutes.
Right. And then I took the duck fat that came off of that, because I captured it under the pan underneath. And then I put it in with the raspberry and made a gravy, sauce out of it.
It's really good with that.
To put back over the top once it was done.
It's real good with the
But you don't have to worry about duck being dried out.
No.
Mm-mm.
No.
Well,
that's good.
All right. Mm-hmm. Cheers.
Cheers.
And we want to say Happy Valentine's to everyone out there. Happy Valentine's to you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Tink. Now that's some good Chianti right there.
It's Chianti.
It's Chianti.
I've been calling it Chianti.
No. I was like, that's a Rufino.
I'm not very refined
That's a good
in
one.
the wine world.
I got that one at the Asian market when I got the duck.
Yeah, Chianti.
That's Rufino, and it's pretty good. I like it. If you go out to a restaurant, you can probably find a Rufino out there. It's a standard. What was that other one? The other Chianti in the wicker, but
I don't know.
Yeah. Anyway.
Octopus.
Yeah. So let's check the octopus out. Okay, we're cutting it in there. Pecan and a Brussels sprout.
It's good.
What do you think?
It's
oh
great.
Yeah.
It's great.
I used the sesame oil in on that one.
It's great.
And the brie. Let's check the brie out. Now this has the I use a raspberry jelly that's a low carb, no sugar version. It's kind of our dessert right there.
Mm-hmm. Sweet. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Great dinner. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. That's the way to eat cheese right there.
Yeah. What are the lemons for? Well, let me do that then.
Alright, that was a good taste test. Let's get some lemons on here. Let's get this party started. Right, why can't we make some good food
But we are.
here
We are.
and dress up?
Yeah.
Why can't we do that?
We can. It's just not something people normally do anymore. Like if you're at home
Well, that's the benefit.
eating, then you wear whatever you want.
That's the beauty of buying a yacht with a galley and a salon and amenities.
But it could influence people to be in their own box home.
Well, I believe in that. I think
I like it.
we make it special.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, like,
No matter where you're at.
What if we were out on the water in the bay?
That's how we
ocean?
would do it. Oh, let me get some dressed up stuff and we're going to have whatever. Yes, I love it. That's what I'm trying to say. I love the vibe that it's given off.
Cheers then, because I'm glad you're on board with that. Mm-hmm. It seemed kind of weird, right? Mm-hmm. To get all dressed up in your own home. But oh, I prefer it. I mean, I like to cook and do this, right? So, right. Why wouldn't we do that? So,
I don't know. I like the vibe.
Yeah.
So one of these days, we are on the ocean on Valentine's Day. This is what's going to be expected.
Right. Well,
you better plan ahead and get duck on the boat before we go out on the water.
Yeah, I set the bar too high on this one. It was like I'll never be able to one up it. Right? Okay.
No, you can.
No, I mean like.
You can one up this. Everything you do is better than you like constantly just better, better, better.
Well, no, I fooled you. Actually, I just went out there and bagged one of those ducks on the dock.
No, you didn't.
And I told her I went to the store.
No, you didn't. Because we would be fighting if we did that. These are my friends out here.
This is a Peking duck. It's an Asian.
It's not from here.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was cool we heard the cardinal back today.
Oh, I know. Over here.
Spring's coming.
Over here. You know, provisioning and getting everything done here. It's just a small space, and fortunate you're good to go on this small space. I was like, okay, what am I, a minimalist or something?
Small spaces. I don't know, just small spaces that don't require a lot, but have a lot of love in them that's where I'm at. If we won the lottery,
I would always want to be on the boat. I'd be like, I pay electric and the taxes, and then I'm never there. I'll be on the boat the whole time.
If we won the lottery, we wouldn't be one of those people that went and bought like 15 multi-million-dollar homes everywhere. We might have a house or a small space here and there. Should there be bad weather, we have to go somewhere. We prepare for that way, but we would be all over this world, experiencing every culture and every corner and every small thing we could.
I just ate.
We'd be like gone.
I just ate the head of an octopus. So what does that tell you about me? Not your typical fellow. Now we've got this duck and octopus and Brussels sprout surprise.
And brie.
The baked brie, raspberry baked brie. Okay, so we're just chilling out. Our place to yours. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Right? Happy Valentine's Day. We hope everyone had a great Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Basically, we're doing this now, but it won't be out till next week, so Valentine's will be over. But we're right here, right now, wishing that to you.
Yes.
If you like boats and food, you're in the right place. I don't know.
He likes to cook. I like to eat. It's a match made in heaven.
I'm on a seafood diet. I see food and I eat it. The escargot and the octopus and the Brussels sprouts and the pecans with the duck fat balsamic glaze on it. Okay.
It's delicious. This is delicious. Get in my belly.
But you can see now that the whole duck is darkening.
Fine, this is our night tonight.
Alright, that's how you finish off a bottle of wine in the clubhouse. Right there. Join us next time on Sailing into
Nirvana. It's bedtime now. Winter duck dinner. It's still recording.
Oh!